Well, good morning, everyone. We are just waiting for this storm to come, whatever it's going to be. This morning, after I took Jeremy into work, I decided that I was running out of bird seed, so I better run into town and get some bird seed, because I don't like the birds being out there starving. And sometimes they will come out here in the storm and sit on my front deck. So I rushed all the way in to get some bird seed to fill the feeders. I even got a suet block. And do you think there's any birds to be seen? No, but there's this guy eating everything before the birds even get here. Yeah, little rat. I'll watch him go up. Oh, no, where's he going to go? That little rat. He's going to sit up there in the tree probably. Anyway, so we have the storm coming. Some have said 15 centimeters of snow and then 50 millimeters of rain. And then 50 centimeters of snow and then 10 centimeters, or 50 centimeters of snow, 10 millimeters of rain. Wind gusts. So whatever happens, happens. I don't even care anymore. People get so wigged out because the weathermen get them all panicking, and then nothing happens. And then we get forecasts that call for nothing, and we get walloped, and yeah, I give up. Anyway, we're doing some math and some school, and Devin's just starting a unit study on the Vikings, and I got some baking to do. So I don't really know what I'm going to get on video for you guys today. I also have to make a skin balm up that I'm making for a homeless shelter. So if I get some time today, I'll start making that up. And I'm not talking in the thing. I'm just talking out the window. Anyway, so I guess we'll see what we get accomplished today. So there he goes again, that little rat. Are you scared away? No, because he'll just come back. Crazy. These are the most unrelaxing animals ever to watch. They run around so much and they're so hyper. Anyway, hope you guys are having a good day. Oh, we have a special sea king flying over today. I think he's got his door open. I can't tell. What? Oh. Where is he? There he is. That's the one that, I'm pretty sure that's the one that Prince William flew. Oh, no, his door's not open today. Odd that he's out today when there's going to be a storm.
I thought they weren't flying in the
Mm-hmm. The cyclones aren't quite ready to go yet. So Devin and I are just having a fire before the storm comes. I had a ton of cardboard to get rid of, so I dug my fire pit out and we're having a fire for a bit. Oh, I thought I saw some, oh, the snow's starting. I just saw a flake. This morning, or yesterday, sorry, I was coming out, oh, this driveway's a sheet of ice. I was coming out and I'm like, something is very different in this garden. And I realized it was my weather vane. The chicken blew down. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out how we can fix it. And this thing is like so incredibly old. And, yeah, I thought the chicken had blown clear off, but he's still attached. So, I'll have to fix that guy. Actually, I keep hitting my head on that thing when I'm gardening, so, probably should put it somewhere. Whoa, watch the rock! Probably should put it somewhere a little safer than that. There's rocks in there, you know? Okay, I'll watch you go down. I have to put, yeah, my hand is like frozen solid here. Watch the rock. Nice. Are you going down a little bit further every time?
Yes, sir.
Very cool. Too bad we can't go down to the pit and go tobogganing. Maybe if there's enough snow we can do that, but not today. No. I'm not even looking at you. I'm looking at the tree. I'm looking at you over the... Oh, never mind. It's Monday. It's Monday. So once I get this done, I'm not sure what we're doing. Going back in to finish some school. Devin has a Lego course online today that he's doing. And if it gets really bad, I'm going to get Jeremy early today because I don't like driving around in this yucky stuff. So anyway, so I'm going to take you guys back inside where it's warm and finish this fire up. And I don't know what else I'm doing today. I suppose he'll try and talk me into going down this crazy hill, but we'll see. I forgot to take off. I'm sorry, you guys are in the dark. There we go. I forgot to take the lens cap off. Sorry. Okay, so I have been told I need to go down this hill. So if I crash into a tree, yeah, I'm not going to crash into a tree. You've already crashed into the tree. You crashed into the Japanese maple, taking it out from me.
It was a dead one.
Yeah. Okay. Just give me a second. I have to get my gloves.
Stop recording then.
This is my weapon of choice. It's bigger. I can get... Oh, no wonder I'm having trouble. It's cut. Anyway, this is
my... my red one.
No, it's too small. No, it's the same. Is it the same size?
I think it is.
Let's see.
The red one might be a little bit bigger.
Oh, okay. I'll take the red one. Okay, I haven't tried this one. Jeez, this might go even faster.
Just look over on the side if you need to stop.
You don't... okay, I'm going. I'm going up.
Be brave, my young Jedi. Be brave, my young Jedi.
Okay.
And may the force be with you.
Where shall I go?
I don't know, but make sure you don't see a sticker on the back.
Make sure what?
Look behind you, there's a sticker on it. You need to flip it over so the sticker's on the snow.
The sticker has to be on the snow?
Yeah, because that's the slipperyest side.
Okay. Oh my good grief, there go my knees. Okay, Devin, if I hit something, I will be so mad.
Just tip over. Don't hit those spots.
Jump right here. Oh. That went faster than my other one did. Oh. Do I have to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay, one more time.
You can take the one off the big ramp.
I am not going off a big ramp.
That's tiny.
This one here?
Yeah, that one, that's the other path where you can take the off-roading path.
What is right where the tree is?
And then don't go that way. Or you could just take the highway again. Or the off-roading.
Oh, sticker side down, right?
Yeah.
I really don't want to go over that jump.
You're not going to go over that jump. You're going to be fine.
Wait a minute, I'm not even on this thing. There you go. Okay.
Whoa, that was a close one.
I came off the thing.
Now you can take the off-roading one.
What do you mean the off-roading one?
The one that's all rough and bumpy.
Okay. I'm going to do one more just because it's a slow video day.
And then you can videotape me going down all of them.
You've already been videotaped.
But not down the jump one. I can start making a jump.
There's a jump on this one?
What?
Is there a jump on this one?
Only small bumps. But not jumps. No jumps. Only small
Right here?
bumps. The one right there.
This one?
Yeah.
Are you making this up?
No.
Okay, that's it. The snowstorm has started. Flakes are getting bigger. Ooh, scary. This is crazy. It's minus 15 Celsius now. Overnight it's supposed to be overnight it's supposed to be plus 8, which is warm. Tomorrow it's supposed to be minus 15. So we have snowfall, heavy rain, and flash freeze warnings out. Fun stuff. Okay, go. Now, I ain't going down on my knees like you did. Ooh! See, if you could just go a little faster, you could go around there and down into the forest.
I need the GT for that.
Well, go get the GT then.
But that would make me faster doing that.
Oh. Okay. Let's go inside. I'm freezing. Wait, you want one more?
Yeah.
These guys are going to be like sledding again. Sledding videos again. Okay. Ooh. Watch the tree! Watch the tree! I said watch the tree. Now I'm going to go in and get warm and have tea, and I'm going to probably have a phone call from Jeremy saying, can you come get me because it's stormy outside? Not yet. Not yet. Okay. So, now that I cannot feel my legs, I think we'll go in. I'm just off to get Jeremy. The weather's getting worse and I really don't want to be out in this a couple of hours from now, so we're going to go get him, and I'm sure he will get some video on the way home. These roads here are brutal. They don't take very good care of them here in the wintertime, and they're pretty twisty-turny, as you guys know. So I don't like to drive in this, so I'm just going to go get him now. Anyway, we'll see you in a bit.
Holy ham banana. It's snowing.
It's worse than last week's blizzard.
Yeah. It's only gone up again. I don't see how it's gonna be.
I don't know how it's supposed to be 8 overnight.
8?
Minus 15 tomorrow morning.
What? That doesn't make any sense
Doesn't
at all.
make sense to me either. Nobody else is going to be like that. That's on the coast, but we're considered the coast. Okay, now they haven't freaking wrong. I should have gone down anyway. Dang, dang, double ding dang.
They're gonna be okay.
I know, it's just down here they haven't sanded and it's like a skating rink. Maybe I'll go down this way instead. Well, I shifted into my low. No, I'm not in my low security.
Anyway, guys, I'm heading home. I don't want Mom to be driving on this because they didn't work, so.
You don't want Mom driving in this. Mom doesn't want Mom driving in this.
And anyway, it's good because my foot is hurt.
Okay, where'd this guy?
This guy slid right here.
This is corner. This is really big.
Don't go down.
Get your stupid piece of crap in here and sand this bloody road.
Anyways, we're heading home now. We'll see if maybe there's anybody in the ditch on the way here.
No.
Okay.
Do I want to be? No.
No, I also want to film people going in the ditch.
Jeremy, home.
Not like that, like people in the ditch already.
If you are not confident enough to drive in snow, like this guy who is doing literally 10 kilometers an hour down here, then you shouldn't be driving in it at all. He probably doesn't have snow tires on, would be my guess.
That's not right, liar.
Well, he's just nervous, but still, like, you can't be going 5 kilometers an hour when somebody comes flying around the corner.
I wish this camera would pick it up better. So.
I know, my camera doesn't either. It's really, really snowing out right now.
Yes, it's this white.
It's not that white. See, now he's all of a sudden, like, going like,
That guy is slowing down.
Oh, he is all over the road. He probably doesn't have snow tires on. You might see him dead to himself.
Who's the gray car?
The gray car here, yes.
On the side of the
I can't even see where the line is. Whoop, whoop, whoop. That's the sidewalk right there.
Yeah, it's getting worse. Barely see a tree now.
The truck that was poking so slowly is just flying down there. I do not understand people.
Where did he go?
He's way down by that other
He doesn't
car.
have his lights on, does he?
I don't know what he's doing.
No, he doesn't have his lights on.
Probably not.
Barely seeing us. Let's go catch up here. Yeah.
That guy's going too fast. Just because you have a 4x4 does not mean you are not going to go blazing off the road. Down here especially. And we probably won't see any plows in here at all until tomorrow morning.
Or else sleep. Yeah, that guy
I don't even know where that. What the heck is with that guy?
He's just ripping
He
it
went
down.
like 5 kilometers an hour around the corner, and now he's hitting every corner at like 80.
And
We're
even
only
though
doing 40.
where's corners? Like this one.
And then you get people that decide they're going to follow you super close. Well, you're going to be in for a surprise buster if I put my brakes on right now.
Don't do it now.
I'm not doing it now.
School bus.
He's not on the road. Where is my road? I can't even see my road. Where's our road?
It's right there.
Now that guy's slowed down and he's going... This guy needs to get off my freaking tail right about now.
Will you please?
It's okay. I'll just go extra slow
Relax.
just to tick him off.
Just relax.
No, he's going my way. Oh, now he's going to get the mail. Guess what? The mail didn't come today.
Well, I'm home. Yeah. Probably see the snow in the background. I'm not too sure. But I am home. 3 hours early. Because the roads are just terrible. As you just saw. Holy crap. Can't believe how bad they are already. It's only been an hour or two. But my foot is so frozen that you can feel the cold air coming off it with my socks on. I just put in the bathtub and it was just so painful. Oh man. I'm gonna try wearing my winter boots and see what happens next. I'm wearing my work boots, but man, those things are freezing cold. I'm home now, so I'm happy. So I'll have to do some more coverage stuff for the big storm. It's actually snowing worse than that little blizzard that we are supposed to have. So yeah. The camera cannot pick it up. I guess you can see how foggy it is over there. It's not fog, it's snow, so it tells you how much it's snowing. So yeah, it's like super deep already. I so wish I had my Papa's tracker. Little case there that I drove when I was on vacation. I love that thing. He put 45,000 hours on it last winter because that's the big winter they had over there in Ontario. So yeah. Oh, I got big news for you guys today. Today, my boss got a call from Disney, and Disney just ordered all our swords for Pirates and the Caribbean 5. That's right. So if you see that movie, all the swords on it are mine. Well, his, but I worked on them, cleaned them up, kind of thing. So I think we did number 2 and number 5. Not the other ones though, because not the other ones because this really hurts my arm. Is that okay? Yesterday somebody said they didn't want it like this, so like this, gonna have to do or this, cause nah, not that. So yeah, hopefully you don't lose power here, so I can't upload this then. But I don't know how this. I don't see how it's going to be 10 degrees tomorrow overnight. Cause it's 4 now, and it's minus 10, I know it can just rise up like there's no tomorrow. That's what it normally does here. It'll probably start raining no time soon. And like it normally does, it never stays. So yeah. I'm gonna get dressed here and I gotta go to the bathroom. I want to tell you guys that. Oh, I'm sorry. I gotta get dressed, either go there, and I don't know what I'll do next. So yeah, I gotta go. Here is Devin's next Lego Minecraft set. That's pretty neat. Here's Steve. Yeah, there's an oven in there, I see. There. That's pretty cool, buddy. Oh, and the skeleton. I see that guy. Under the tree. Well, here's an update for you guys. It's hard to see my neighbors now. Yeah, I don't know if my dad's closing or not. We'll see, I guess. But, that's one of my subscribers. That was her first time broadcasting, so. Yes. Pretty good job. Her YouTube link will be below if I can remember to do it. I have a really hard time remembering that kind of stuff. But let's go check out the other windows. And here's the deck. Right there. It's getting pretty deep. And you can't really see over there. Is Dad closing?
He's gonna stay late.
Yeah. Alright, so thinking of doing a broadcast. I haven't done it in a long time. I did one a few days ago just to test it out and everything in my room. So I moved my Xbox closer to the Wi-Fi thing. So I'm gonna do it in my room. Probably Wednesday is the best time for me. And I might do it earlier this time, like 7. So people in Europe don't need to stay up so later this time. But we'll see. I like doing on Saturday sometime in the morning for them too. But the game will be this. Assassin's Creed Black Flag. Awesome game. And that's what I'm going to play right now, so, yeah. Got my sweater that I like wearing on. And it is just nasty out there. Yeah, computer. So, yeah. Yeah, messy bed. Keep forgetting to make it. But, yep, sorry. Gonna play Xbox. Alright, oops, close cap. Here's the last update. Of course, the light's not gonna turn on. Well, it's snowing out there, I can't see. Oh well.